What is up, guys? And I hope you're having a good day. And today, well, I've been quarantined for the last couple days, and there's not much to do. So I think I might just straight pipe it. I mean, it's fairly simple. I've never actually heard it straight pipe, but I think it's fairly easy. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but there's a hose clamp, and I just need to take that off and try to pound it off or something. But I gotta grab my tripod over here. Oh yeah. But it has been a few days since I've started it, so hopefully she'll start. And well, you'll hear what a good old cold start, sounds like on this thing. I know, not very impressive, very generic, or whatever it's called. Gosh, I miss this thing. First thing we gotta do, actually, I have to jack up the car anyway. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put some WD-40 on the joint there, and then I gotta take off the rear tires because one side is wearing more than the other. Yeah, that's not so good. I'll show you guys once we get everything jacked up and taken off here. So probably putting the gear in. Let's hope nothing breaks. You know what I forgot to do? Forgot to crack the lugs. Oh yeah. That's pretty good. There's one. Safety first, children. Oh, baby. And two. Alright guys, so I'll show you what I mean by it's wearing weird. I can't even fit a stinking penny in that. And this one is at least alright for a couple hundred miles. I do know I need to replace these rear tires, but I'm pretty sure my alignment's off. I did just have new shocks and shock towers, and that might have thrown the whole alignment off. I don't know. And it's probably why it's giving me issues here. So I'm gonna get these tires back on, and then I'll probably hit the muffler again with some more lube and we'll try to beat that thing off or something, because I tried it one time and I couldn't get it off. But well, we'll see how it goes here. I did change the tires. Side looks a lot better. I think I have a lot of like camber, like positive camber, so the wheels kind of sitting like that, but not as dramatic. So I know I need to get it realigned, and I need new tires for the rear at least. And now we're moving on under here. So as you can see right there, I got a exhaust clamp, and I got a hanger here and one right across from it. I kind of want to shine this back up. So that's the whole idea. And plus I kind of want to hear what it sounds like straight piped. They're 9/16. All right. So I just got everything undone. And now it's time for the tricky part, which is actually getting it to come off. So that plan isn't working. I'm gonna let the WD-40 sit a little bit and try her again in about a half hour. And if that doesn't work, I'm gonna have to move on to plan C. So we'll see how she goes. And I'll put on my stuff back for the tires and let her sit. I'll get right back to you guys. Alright, so I just put ramps underneath the car, and I'm hoping I'll be able to get them out. I tried heating it up because, you know, metal expands when you heat it up. And we'll see if that works. If not, then shoot. Well, I'm going to assess the damage. Well, not the damage, but I would take this off. And if I do get to it before dark, I will get right back to you guys. But it's proven to be a little bit more difficult than I thought. All right. So about 15 minutes later, and I think I got it to where it's almost coming off. I can finally twist it. And yeah, sorry I'm out of breath. It took a lot of work. Lost the straw. I can't tell if it's moved or not. Still not coming off. Oh my gosh, guys. I did it. I got her. I had to spray her down with some more WD-40. Take the torch to her. But now I can clean her up because she's not looking so healthy. I'm gonna have to get it off the stands here, and I'll give you a first whatever view. I don't even know what I'm trying to say here, but you're gonna look right at the pipe while I start it, and we'll see how she goes here. Oh gosh, I'm scared. That's actually not that bad. I'm gonna be honest, guys. That sounds awesome. You can't see it, but it's been a lot of condensation and stuff. This stuff collects water like crazy, and it actually snowed. It was snowing yesterday, actually, and now look at it. There's no snow. There's actually snow on the ground. But I'm gonna put this in the garage here. Got her warmed up here-ish, and I guess it's time to hear what she sounds like. Oh my gosh, guys, it sounds so cool. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to do some drive-bys, but I gotta wait till my parents come home because I'm actually making some food right now. But oh my gosh, you have no idea how much this, like how happy I am right now. Unfortunately, I still gotta put that stinking muffler back on, you know, but I kind of want to run it like this. It sounds so cool. But yeah, this is good. This is good. Alright guys, so that was the end of today's video, and hopefully soon I'll have another video to show you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please hit the subscribe button. Please like this video if you liked it. And she's definitely something else right now, so we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna clean up the muffler and put her back on, I guess, but she sounds pretty cool right now. But I'll see you guys later.